Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by using an existing Google account that owns a channel or by creating one. This is required because YouTube Studio links to channel identity. Once signed in, make sure you enable two-step verification for added protection. It prevents accidental lockouts. Now go to YouTube.com and click your profile icon at the top right. This is where Studio is accessed. Click YouTube Studio and wait for the dashboard to load. It initializes channel data and analytics, so you can manage content. Once inside Studio, you configure the channel basics so viewers recognize your brand and YouTube applies correct settings. You should update your channel name, upload a profile image and banner, and fill the About section. These help discovery and legitimacy. If you plan longer uploads, verify the channel with a phone number. This unlocks extended upload limits. Make sure to review permissions under Settings so collaborators have the right access, and check monetization eligibility if you intend to earn revenue. Finally, add content by clicking Create and Upload videos. Include a clear title, description, thumbnail, and tags so YouTube recommends your video accurately. Once published, monitor analytics for watch time and audience retention because those metrics guide future edits and promotion strategies. Check the copyright and restrictions panels to resolve claims quickly. They affect monetization. If you encounter upload or permission errors, clear your browser cache. Try an incognito window or re-verify your account. These steps often fix token or session issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.